This is a 2020 Dodge Charger Scat Pack with a 392 Hemi in it. This thing's nearly 500 horsepower. Beautiful Scat Pack in the black with the gold wheels, just such a good look. And as we step inside, you can see this is such a nice, very low mileage car. It's got the Scat Pack Rumblebee on the seats there. And a beautiful layout on the dash with a big Uconnect screen. And just 58,000 miles on this 2020 Dodge Charger Scat Pack with a 6.4 Hemi, the 8-speed automatic transmission. Joy FM on the radio. This thing does have satellite radio built in as well. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, paddle shifters, and of course a backup camera as well. With it being an SRT, it's going to have all of the performance pages. So you've got the 0 to 60 timer, all your G-force meter, your horsepower graph, as well as a dynamometer right in the dash. In the back, it's got room for 3 with a flip-down armrest there, some cup holders if you're having 2 people in here. This will hold 3 car seats. Ask me, because I know. Huge trunk. It's a nice, large sedan. You're going to want to really come check this thing out. It's right down here at Next Level in Hillsboro. It's even got the original carpet there. And, of course, that 6.4 Hemi under the hood. Come check it out. Next Level in Hillsboro.